Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates cause whenever we upload new video.
Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off your unwanted calendar messages, like your iPhone or your privacy is in danger, something like that. Today is 11th February. 11th February, and I'm getting this type of messages right now. You might be vulnerable to online attacks. Secure iPhone now. This type of messages is all over my calendar. See, not only in 11th, I'll show you on 10th. Okay, not in 10th February. Okay, so see, if I show you my list, see, this is all over my phone, and it's coming every 2 hours later. Okay, every 2 hours later this type of message coming, like 7, 9, 12, 2 p.m, after 4 p.m, 4:20, 5. It's all coming, and I'm searching everywhere to how they connect my phone. I can't get anything. So how do you stop it? Okay, so here is the tricks to stop this type of messages. All you need to go your calendar settings, calendar. See, there is nothing that you can stop your calendar to connect on Wi-Fi or connect on internet. There's nothing here. So you need to go on accounts section. This is my account, iCloud account. Gmail is also mine, Yahoo is also mine, but this is unfamiliar. Subscribe calendars, I don't know how I add it here, so this is the thing, I need to delete it. So all you need to do, delete account. Deleting this account will remove its calendars from your iPhone. Okay, delete account. There's nothing. Okay, account, 3 accounts, nothing. So let's get back to my calendar. See, it's gone. Nothing is here. Okay, all is my logs. No more logs, no more nothing thing. Okay, not a thing. So yeah, this is the fix. Thanks for watching guys. If you think this is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and please comment below if you don't understand the video, this video. Thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.